Awesome. Day 3 of the 5-day breath work course here at Winter Garden Yoga. Now, please do me a favor. Start at day 1. Please don't pick up at day 3 because we're building up our technique from the most fundamental stuff to the breath work that we're going to do today. So when you're ready, grab a chair or grab a comfortable seat and we'll get right into it. Awesome. Now, day 3, we're going to work on what James Nestor coined the perfect breath. Now, James Nestor wrote a book called Breath. You can check it out anywhere, I'm sure. Amazon.com or barnesandnoble.com, wherever you get your books from, check it out. It's definitely worth a read. And what James Nestor discovered through his investigations is that the perfect breath, the perfect rhythm of breathing is about 6 seconds in and about 6 seconds out. Anywhere from 5.5 seconds in to 5.5 seconds out, somewhere in that realm. And if you want the details on it, check out James Nestor's book. But here's what we're going to try today. We're going to try to fill the entire torso, 6 seconds in, a little pause, 6 seconds out. So if you remember the 3-part yogic breath, the tummy, we're going to try to expand for about 3 seconds. The rib cage will try to expand for about 2 seconds. And then the clavicle will top off 1 second. And then we go backwards. 1 second clavicle, 2 second rib cage, 3 second through the tummy. I don't have a metronome nearby, but we'll do the best we can. So when you're ready, inhale normal. Exhale normal. And now let's try. 6 seconds in. Ready? Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And just begin to breathe normally again. How did you do? Hopefully, you start to feel, I call it flipping the switch or switching gears. Hopefully you feel that you start to calm down. And that's just because, again, we're activating what's called the parasympathetic nervous system. It's the rest and digest. The benefits of proper breathing are beyond the scope of a quick video tutorial to get you started. You can really just do some kind of an internet search on the benefits of proper breathing. You will probably be astounded. But another benefit, kind of hidden, is that it helps prepare you for meditation. Some folks have a difficult time sitting and being quiet. And that's okay, because the breathing can help you develop concentration, which is what helps you develop meditation. Awesome. So your homework today is to practice the perfect breath. 6 seconds in, slight pause, 6 seconds out, slight pause, and repeat. The whole time doing your best to stay calm. Just practice throughout the day if you can. That's one benefit of this breathing technique, is you can pretty much do it anywhere. pretty much anywhere, pretty much safely. I wouldn't do it driving your car, for example, but if you're watching TV, if you sit through the commercials, practice your breathing during the commercials. If you if you're at a restaurant waiting for your meal to arrive, practice your 6-second breathing. If you're sitting in yoga class waiting for class to begin, sit and practice your 6-second breathing. If you're looking to change your mood, if you find that you're kind of getting upset because someone cut you off in traffic and now you're coming home and you're upset, sit in your car before you go inside, practice your 6-second breathing and see if you can feel that gear switch. Awesome. So let me know what you think in the comments. Tomorrow, we're going to work on deepening the relaxation response with another breathing technique. So we're going to keep building on the 6-second breath. Tomorrow, we're going to get into more of a relaxation technique.